I'm taking a video of my security camera footage. And you see this thing? It's about 20 feet behind my trailer on my property. This sparkling circle-like thing. I have no idea what it is. And there's a light that keeps turning on and disappearing also. Can you see it? To the right of it, there's these lights that keep turning on and turning off. There's nothing outside. I went and looked. There's nothing that is detectable with the naked eye. But it's on my video footage. The infrared cameras are picking it up. Also, this is my trailer. This thing on top. And you see this little red, black, round thing that's sitting on top of my trailer? And then it's casting a light. This thing has been appearing on my trailer every night. Maybe 3 months. It was never there before. There, you see the little black thing? The black ball? There you go. Circle thing. And then it's giving off some kind of a light that the infrared camera picks up, but the naked eye doesn't. That little thing that keeps getting in the way is a spider web I have to move. Spiders keep, for some reason, getting on my cameras. So that's a spider web jumping around in the light I need to move. But you see this thing on top of my trailer. And you see the black ball thing on top of the trailer. And then you see this other thing behind the trailer. That's just floating around and doing something weird. And then you see the light that keeps blinking off to the right and down below. And there's a few other lights that are doing blinking lights, like some kind of a beacon or something, on my property that should not be there. I don't have any lights in those locations. I don't have anything there. So I don't know what the hell this is. This is in real time, so this is actually what's happening right this very minute on my video camera. And that's just outside the back of my trailer. You see that blinking light? And then it said it's been about 3 months. This other one has been showing up on top of my trailer every night. And you see the black round ball thing. And it looks like there's another one right there towards the back. I don't know what they are, but the bottom line is nobody has any rights putting anything on my trailer or any surveillance, anything on my property. I don't know if this is some kind of a drone or what, but it has no business being here on my property, and I'm tired of this foolishness. And this is a violation of my personal privacy. And nobody has a right to place a damn thing on my property without my permission. And they do not have my permission to do so.